My dear brothers and sisters in Christ Jesus, hypocrisy in human beings is perhaps the most hated attitude of Jesus. Today's gospel has the condemnation of the hated vice of hypocrisy of the teachers of the law. Woe to you, teachers of the law! Religion ought to be a bridge that helps people to have easier access to God. But the teachers of the law fractured this bridge with an insistence on rules, on traditions. Religion ought to be a link that makes the life of the people freer in God's presence. But the teachers of the law ruptured this link by burdening the people with the wrongly prioritized customs. The people had to pay a portion, a share of one's produces or earnings, usually 1/10. This portion was extracted on all objects, including the tiny and the meanest ones like mint, rue, and every garden herb. But there was no insistence on any obligation placed on the love of God. Religion for the teachers of the law had been reduced to fulfilling of certain practices and customs with most delicate details and the tiniest perfection, but completely overlooked the most fundamental aspect of loving God. The teachers of the law loved good places of sitting in the synagogue and being greeted in the marketplaces. They loved to be seen in places of prominence and to be publicly acknowledged and appreciated. But there was no insistence on obligation placed on giving the rightful place to God. Religion for the teachers of the law had been reduced to enjoying places of honor and relishing the public acclaim of the common people, but completely overlooked humbling oneself and giving the glory and honor to God. Above all, for the teachers of the law was much more important than the one who gave the law. These people imposed many commands on the people and burdened their lives, but failed to show any compassion to help them. But there was no insistence placed on the compassion and mercy of God. The practice of the commands was much more important than the one who commanded utmost honor. Above mentioned, the dimensions of the Pharisaic attitude are very much possible to creep into our own lives. We could be people for whom the offering is much more important than the one to whom it is offered, for whom the places of honor is much more important than the one to whom it is fully due, for whom the law is much more important than the one who gives the law, for whom the practice of the commands is much more important than the one who commands utmost respect and honor. Let us seek to root out any of these Pharisaic tendencies from our lives. Let God become center of our lives. May God bless us all.